Welcome, my dear students. Similar triangles. We are going to discuss very interesting problems for different type of exams like RMO, NMO, like that. See, we have here this particular problem. ABC is a right angle at B. Let D and E be any points on AB and BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. AC square plus DE square, like this. Now you see, we have here right angle triangle like this. Right? This right angle triangle you have here ABC. This is what ABC is, a right angle triangle. And you have here D and E be any points on AB. D is any point on AB and E is any point on BC, like this. E is any point on BC respectively. Then we need to prove that AE square. Let us join here like this. AE square plus CD square, like this. AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. AC square plus DE square. That is what we require to prove. See, this is what DE we are having like this, right? Now see, my dear student, how we are going to do this one, right? Fine. What way we will do and approach this problem? They given that ABC is a right angle triangle at B, D and E be any points on AB and BC respectively. Therefore, AE square plus CD square, that is what. Let us take now the left hand side part here, right? AE square, let us take here AE square plus CD square, like this, right? Fine. Now you see, my dear students, AE square we can write it as, in this right angle triangle ABE, in this right angle triangle ABE, we can write it as AB square plus BE square plus CD square, like this, right, my dear students? CD square. Now from BDC is a right angle triangle, from that CD square is a hypotenuse. There you can write it as BD square plus BC square, you can write wonderfully. See here, my dear students, once again I am repeating this. ABE, there AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square, and BDC, there CD square, this CD square, it is acting as a hypotenuse, that is nothing but BD square plus BC square you are having. Now we will write this as, my dear students, AB square plus BC square as one group plus BE square plus BD square, BE square plus BD square, like this is another group, like this. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BE square plus BD square is equal to DE square, because this is a right angle triangle and AB square plus BC square in triangle ABC. Okay, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, and BE square plus BD square is equal to, we have got DE square. Such a beautiful way we have got the right hand side part. We have taken the left hand side part and we got the right hand side part. See, dear students, in this nice way we will be getting this particular problem, right? Now see, my dear students, here this is a very important. Many times it was asked in many public examinations. It is a star marked problem, 5-star rating problem, this, right? See, my dear students, what is this? They given here in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC, such that BD equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. This is what the problem, right? See, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 BC, like this, 1/3 BC, like this. We have here now equilateral triangle ABC, like this. ABC is an equilateral triangle such that D is a point on side BC. See, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. This is what you are having here. Now if I drop in equilateral triangle the median, right, the midpoint, let us call this as some E, right, my dear students. E, you know that median and altitude or angle bisector or perpendicular bisector, everything will be same. Everything will be same in this equilateral triangle. Therefore, you have here BE right? BE is equal to EC, and also it is perpendicular. See how we are going to do this particular problem, my dear students. How we will be doing that is wonderful. Now, fine. Let us take here, my dear students, in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE. What you have here? ADE angle E is 90 degrees, because I told you that that is the median, and that is the altitude, that is the angular bisector, that is the perpendicular bisector. In triangle angle E equal to 90 degrees. That means AED is 90 degrees. Therefore, AD is a hypotenuse. Now, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. This, right? Fine. AE square. AE is nothing but the altitude. Altitude of equilateral triangle is what? √3/2. Okay, the altitude of equilateral triangle is √3/2. A is nothing but the side. The side, let us take it as AB. √3/2 into AB whole square plus DE square. DE you can write it as, my dear students, BE minus BD. You can write like this whole square like this. Now this is now 3AB square by 4. 3AB square by 4 plus BE. BE is nothing but half of the side BC. BC equal to AB equal to AC, because it is equilateral triangle. AB equal to BC is equal to AC. This is very, very important, because it is an equilateral triangle. That's what we are having here there. Like, once you have got the thing like this, now BE is nothing but half of, may I write BC. BC means AB. Half of AB minus BD. BD equal to 1/3. They given that already. BD equal to 1/3 of BC. BC is nothing but AB, like this. This total whole square we can write. Right? Wonderful. Once we got the thing like this, this is now 3AB square by 4. 3AB square by 4 plus, here if you take LCM as 6, the LCM for this is this. Now 2 3s, what we are having here? 2 into 3, 3AB minus 3 2s, 2AB whole square like this. 2 3s, right? This is what we have got now, like this, right? Now you see, my dear students, what we do after this, right? This is equal to 3/4 AB square plus 3AB minus AB, 2AB, that is AB by 6, that is AB square by 36, like this. AB square by 36. Now let us write this. The LCM for 4 and 36 is nothing but 36. 36 is what the LCM. Now 4 1s to 4 9s, right? 4 1s to 4 9s. 9 3s 27 AB square plus AB square here. That is totally 28 AB square. 28 AB square by 36. Right, my dear students? Actually, we have taken AD square. Right? That means this is equal to AD square. This is what AD square actually. We have taken AD square. That is what we have got. That means we have got 36 AD square is equal to 28 AB square, like this. Right? We can cancel. So we can cancel nicely by something like 4 9s, 4 7s. Therefore, 9 AD square. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. We will be getting this in this beautiful way, right? 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square, right? In this beautiful way, we will be getting this particular problem, right? See now this problem, my dear students. ABD is a triangle, right angled at A, and AC is perpendicular to BD. Show that number 1, AB square equal to BC into BD. Number 2, AC square is equal to BC into CD. AD square is equal to BD into CD. Now, based on this problem, we can do many problems in the textbook what you have. Like, if you understand this particular problem, you can do many problems, right? You see, my dear students, ABC is right angled at A. Therefore, here let us take the diagram. This is what right angled at A. This is A is 90 degrees, like this. B, C. Okay, AB like this. Fine. ABD is a right angle to triangle. ABD like this. Let us take here D and like this ABD is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, we have got AC perpendicular to BD like this. AC perpendicular to BD like this. Right? Once AC is perpendicular to BD, we need to show that all these things. Now how we will do this part? You see, my dear students, right? We have here like this ABD. In this AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay. Once we have got the things like this, how we are going to do, my dear students? Let us do one thing first. AB square is equal to, we need to prove BC into BD like this. BC into BD. You see, my dear students, one thing I want to tell you. What is that is, right? Here, I will say that triangle A, right? BCA, otherwise let us take like BCA is similar to triangle this BCA is similar to triangle BAD like this, because by AA similarity, angle A equal to angle A, angle C is 90 degrees, here angle A is 90 degrees. By AA similarity, we can say that they are similar. Once they are similar, Nana, we know that BC by BA is equal to BC by BA is equal to CA by AD, okay, and also BA by BD like this. BA by BD that equal to CA by AD like this. If you take these two like this, right, what you are going to have? BA whole square. BA whole square means what? From this AB square is equal to, if you do the cross multiplication, BC into BD. Such a beautiful way you have got the proof of number 1 like this, right? Number 1, you got the proof very nicely. Now the second one, what you are having here is AC square is equal to BC into CD. How we are going to do that also, you see beautifully, my dear students. Triangle, you have here DCA is similar to triangle DAB like this, triangle DAB like this. Once they are similar, same thing here, angle D equal to angle D, angle C is 90, angle A is 90, DAB. Therefore by AA similarity, here also by AA similarity, my dear students, how beautifully we are going to do, you see, DC by DA right, this one, DC by DA is equal to CA by AB, that is equal to DA by DB like this, DA by DB like this, right? Wonderful. Once if you take these two like this, now we got, we see two, I think we are getting the third one from this, right? You see, if we take this, what we will get? Like DC by DA, these two you take, DA whole square. DA whole square means AD square. From this we will get AD square, DA into DA, these two if you take. This is equal to BD into DC, BD into CD. Hence the proof of the third one. Such a beautiful way you will get the third one like this. Now we got 1 and 3. Now let us try to get the second one. The second one is what? AC square is equal to BC into CD. BC into CD, right, my dear students? Now one thing we can do, what is that is triangle. By this what I can say is, we know the triangle BCA is similar to triangle BAD, right? And the triangle BAD here, this BAD is similar to what? Here BAD is similar to what? B means what? Angle A here, of course. Triangle A, right? Wonderful. And A means, yeah, A means C. ACD like this. ACD. Triangle BCA is similar to triangle BAD, that is similar to triangle ACD like this. Once let us use these two. If you use these two, let us take their corresponding sides. From this, what you will get? BC by AC is equal to CA by CD. This is equal to BA by AD like this, BA by AD like this. Now if you take these two and do the cross multiplication, what you will be getting that? AC square is equal to BC into CD, BC into CD. AC square is equal to BC into CD. This is the way how we will get the second one. Such a beautiful way we have got this particular problem. I am just explaining different models how you require to do. Please do all example problems also. That is very important. You are going to get in the examination all examples, right? Now see another model, very important problem. This is also a star marked problem. What I am explaining all are very important models. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square, right? We have right angled at C, right angled isosceles triangle this. Let us take this is what C, this equal to this. We have here ABC like this, ABC. This is AC equal to BC, right angled isosceles triangle, right? Now you see, my dear students, how we are going to do. We need to prove that AB square. We know that actually it is a right angle triangle. AB square is equal to, you know that AC square plus BC square, right? And it is isosceles triangle. That means you know that AC is equal to BC like this. Now AC square plus BC, BC equal to AC, therefore AC square. AC square plus AC square, that is 2AC square. Wonderfully we have got. Now AB square is equal to 2AC square. In this beautiful way we have got this particular problem, right? Now see this particular problem, it is also important. O is any point interior of triangle ABC. They given that OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, OF perpendicular to AB. Then we need to prove that these two things. Number one is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Number two, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Right, my dear students, here what we have here, ABC. ABC is a triangle. In this triangle ABC, you are having here, right, ABC is a triangle. Now O is any point interior of triangle ABC. O is any point interior of triangle ABC. OD perpendicular to BC. OD, this is perpendicular to BC. And OE perpendicular to AC. OE perpendicular to AC, like this. And OF perpendicular to AB, like this. OF perpendicular to AB. This is what the thing we are having here, right? Very good. Now, my dear students, how we do the solution part of this, right? You see, how we will be doing OA square plus OB square plus OC square. We are having here, let us join them. OA square, OB square, OC square like this. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square. AF square. You see, my dear students, let us take for the first one, the right hand side part you take here. AF square, okay, is equal to what you are going to get. It's a very simple, elegant problem, my dear students, right? AF square plus BD square plus BD square plus you have CE square. This is AF square. This is AOF is a right angle triangle. AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square like this plus BD square. Here also this is a right angle triangle. ODB is a right angle triangle. There what you will get, BD square is equal to OB square minus OD square like this plus, right? Next, CE square. CE square is nothing but that is also a right angle triangle. OC is a right angle triangle. CE square is equal to OC square minus OE square like this. Now this is what you have here is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Okay, that is what you have got the left hand side part. Such a beautiful way you have got the left hand side part. Wonderful. First one is over. Now the second one, what we have here, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to, they are telling that AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now let us take, already we got AF square plus BD square plus CE square as this one. Now let us try to get AE square here, of course. Okay, in triangle AOE, AE square, let us take here AE square, right hand side part we take here like this. AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Let us write this also, right? If you write that AE square is equal to, you are going to get OA square minus OE square like this, plus CD square is nothing but, CD square is nothing but OC square minus OD square like this. Next, BF square. BF square is nothing but what we are going to get, this, right? BF square. Here BF square is nothing but OB square minus OF square like this, right? Wonderful. This is nothing but, now we have here OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square, right? This is same as something what we have proved now, AF square plus BD square plus CE square. That is what we have here. This is right from this. That is what we proved. Therefore, you have taken the right hand side and you have got the left hand side very beautifully, right? My dear students, in this way you will be doing this particular problem. Now see, my dear students, this problem, sixth one, we have triangle ABC, it is right angle at B, and D comma E are the points of trisection. Trisection means D and E will divide BC into three equal parts. That means BD is equal to what? They given here BD equal to DE is equal to EC. They are points of trisection like this. Then prove that 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square like this. Okay, my dear students, how we are going to do this? You see, my dear students, first let us take the right hand side part like this. If you take the right hand side part, we have here 3AC square plus 5AD square like this, right? 3 into AC square. AC square we can write it as, right? How we can write is 3 into AC square. AC square is a hypotenuse for that. That means AB square plus BC square like this, right? Wonderful. This is equal to, okay, plus 5 into AD square. AD square here, ABD is a right angle triangle. AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square like this. Wonderful. Now see, my dear students, what we have got, 3AB square plus 3BC square, right? This one we have here 3AB square plus 5AB square. 3AB square plus 5, this one 3BC square. BC is equal to 5BD. Okay, fine, no problem. How we are going to have now 3BC square plus 5BD square like this, right? Fine. 3BC square plus 5BD square. 3AB square plus 5AB square equal to 8AB square like this. 8AB square. Wonderful. Now, actually, what we will do is plus 3BC is equal to, I can write as, right? Yeah. BC square I am having here like this. This, how we are going to divide that? Actually, my dear students, I want to tell one thing here. BD equal to DE. This is X, this is X, this is X. Actually, this is, okay, 3X. Because they are points of trisection, we can divide that into 3 equal, but each part we call it as X, X, X like this. Now, this AB, 3BC, this is for 3AB square plus 5AB square is 8AB square, 3BC. BC means what? X plus X. 3x whole square. 3x whole square is nothing but 9x square. Plus 5 into BD square. BD is x square like this. Totally you see my dear students, you have got 8AB square, 9 3s 27, 27 plus 5 32 x square like this. This we can write as 8AB square plus 8 into, okay, 8 4s 4x square, that means 2x whole square I can write. 2x means what? BD plus DE I can write. This you see my dear students, this is equal to 8AB square, 8 into 2x. 2x we can write as BD plus DE, that is BE square. BE square. Now 8 you take common, AB square plus BE square, that is equal to 8 into AE square. That is what the left hand side part. Such a beautiful way we will get this problem. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thank you for watching. Please pay your fees before 20th and avail the opportunity.